E from MarketWizards.com and eMoneyWizard.com. Mining traders use risk capital you can afford to lose. It is the 2nd of December, 2019. And again, reminding traders, markets can turn on a dime today. It has from last week's range. We've got a gap that we had suggested, 1175, could get filled. We're using that for our support idea. We said there was a primary magnet at 10.5. So using that 10.5 as our support and paid for sure by 1175 to 12. And this was last week's range right in here, showing the gap. We said using 32's resistance. All targets are hit for today on the short side. Anybody that's using 10 to 12 support, get what you can. Probably have one more swing short, but I think anything we get now below this is luck. So if you anchor your chart, you have to make sure you unanchor it to get the true range to print as it moves. Whole key was rejecting that 55 and saying, okay, that's resistance. Let's use the 48's resistance coming short side. And then when we break Friday's low, it triggers tests of these lows, 35s to 32s. And these lows in here at 30, we said potential next target 28s. And then it becomes obvious if you get any more south side, the big 25. And then, of course, the print range low is 16 that Zeke called out. And I said, and this was our true low from last week if you measure from the gap. Best day the shorts have had in forever. Gap is filled. 30-minute chart. RTH. Just over an hour. RTH to undo all last week's range. So aggressively, we're using the gap fill, paid for sure. Bottom of this zone is actually the 05. And this is an extreme level. 25 is our normal level, and then the 15s, an extreme, and these are weekly values, and then the extreme down here is 5. Should be time to take profits on this swing for the gap fill. Don't know if the low is in yet for the day, but could be. And based on the monthlies, there's a 40 back coming in here, right? To 9.25. And again, anybody stride long side, get your stop out back first. First goal is always put your money back in your pocket. Gap is filled.